Hello, my fellow engineers, scientists, peeps, creeps, YouTubers, and mindless zombies of the world and internet. I'm Lapo Entertainment, or the host of Slate Technologies. Today's video topic is there we go. Today's video topic will be about fixing my broken 3D printer and doing some other stuff. So in the last video, last video, because the last video was about me, it was about my broken gas mask. But anyways, the last video that I made, I bought like a lot of stuff. I bought FET film for my 3D printer, I bought isopropyl alcohol, I bought gas mask, and other stuff like that so I could fix my 3D printer and improve my 3D printing knowledge. Well, without further ado, let's begin the video. Whoa, easy man. Oh dear. Alright. So in the last video, I bought a few products and I reviewed them. For example, I bought some FET film, some isopropyl alcohol, and a gas mask. Look, let me get it. This right here. This was the gas mask I bought in the last video. And in another video after that last video about the gas mask review, you may know that I broke the gas mask. As you can see, the strap is broken, whereas compared to this strap, which has this little tab, which prevents it from getting pulled out. So my $45 gas mask broke, and yeah, well, it's pretty cheap, so what can I expect? Alright, so before I do any of this stuff, I should probably wear my gloves, which I already have, and wear my gas mask. Oh dang it. Tighten the strap, make sure not to break it, like I did with that other strap. Okay, this is okay. Ow! I think my wrist just popped. Oh god. I don't feel comfortable in this, but it works. So just putting the gas mask on is a terrible process. It takes a long time, and it's not very efficient, and there may be some chances they might pull it too hard and break a strap. Yeah, I did with this strap right here. I don't know if you can see it. So, this gas mask, $45, is it worth it? Not at all. So don't buy it. Oh, sorry. So don't buy it. I may sound quieter, so I'll just enhance the audio starting from here. Yeah, I think that's it. So, I've got my FET film, my resin vat, right here. A few screws, which I need, and my FET film. Let's open it, shall we? Make sure to tighten your gloves. There you go, that was easy. That was easier than I thought. And there are 20 sheets in this thing, or 10 sheets. And they're sticking on each other. As you can see right here, they are sticking against each other. So I'll have to fix that. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. Hopefully not. And here's a FET film. As you can see, it's a clear sheet of plastic that goes on your resin vat, and it basically, I don't know. So, the resin vat consists of 3 pieces. 2 pieces right here. 2 pieces right here. So the FET film is supposed to be sandwiched in between, and you just screw in the FET film. And screw this assembly onto this assembly, and then this resin vat goes on the 3D printer. So let's do it. Okay. The first thing I'll have to do is I have to put the fat foam right here. And then I need to grab more paper towels. I'll be back in a sec. An entire roll isn't really needed, but you know, I'm a newbie at 3D printing in general, so I'll probably need a whole roll. So I use an entire roll when I'm in the bathroom. Okay, here we go. So just place the fat foam right here until the screws align. You probably can't really see it very well, but the holes are aligned right here, up there. Make sure that they're all aligned. And then you place your second piece on the correct way. And if there's some resin on one side, don't worry about it. Just put it on the fat film because you don't want to be touching that stuff without gloves. Okay, there you go. Fat film. The fat film sandwich. Take your screws. Open up the bag. Take your Allen wrenches and your screws. Taking out all the screws isn't necessary, but you know. I also have to get close right here, and I only really show my face, only just the gas mask portion. So this is going to require. So this is going to be quite hard, I guess. I have no idea what to do. Okay, tell you what, I'll just skip this section of the video. You have to screw it in yourself. Okay, so this took me quite a while to do, but it turns out you cannot screw these plates in any orientation you like. You have to have the screw thread plate on the bottom, the fat film in the middle, and you have to put the top plate on with the big holes facing upwards, no matter the size of the screw. So as you can see, damn it! Dang it! Oh god. So you can see, these holes are big up here, and these holes are small. You cannot fit the screws that have big top heads into the small holes. You have to fit them in a specific orientation. So keep that in mind. Done with 4 of the screws out of like 18 million. Well, both sides are done now. Now all I have to do are these sides. And I also have to screw this into here. It's not going to go very well. Wish me luck! I'm so done with this. Well, here's my fat film. It's all screwed in. But before you screw this in, go into the bathroom, bring your fat film, turn on the water, and run some water under the fat film to see if any leaks are present. And no leaks are present. Yay! If any leaks are present on the fat film, you're going to have to unscrew all these screws again, and then you're going to have to do the same thing again. And you're going to have to check. And if you puncture that, you have to do the same thing again. It's so annoying. That's probably like the bad things about owning 3D printers, I guess. anyways, place your that on that same paper towel, and place the entire platform assembly on here, I guess. Which way? Which way? This way. Okay. Make sure that the big screws, make sure that the holes are bigger on this side than the other side before you screw things in. Wait a minute, I forgot one small detail. I forgot to say one thing. Make sure that all these screws are tightened and use your small Allen wrench. Wrong one. Use your small Allen wrench, use the long side, and apply some torque to screw these in tighter so that your 3D printer doesn't start leaking. Well, I checked all the screws and they're all tight, so they're all tight enough, so wasting my time. But on second thought, it's time to assemble this thing. Ugh. Well, both sides are done now. All I have to do is the top and bottom. So, all done. Look how amazing that is. Bathroom again with your fat fill and run some water through it and see if it leaks. No leaks. So I guess that's the entire, so I guess my 3D printer is now fixed and I can do, I can continue my project on this channel and do collabs. Yeah, collabs would be fun. Well, shoot, that's my entire 3D printer fixed, I guess. Well, that concludes this entire video. I'm sorry you had to go through that 13 minutes of, I don't know, pain and suffering. But you know what? I think it was worth it for you. So now I can do collabs with people, like an upcoming collab with Pink Yoshi 18, for example, and it will be kind of fun. So yeah, that concludes this entire video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, please like the video, because those buttons are there for a reason.